What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides. Today, I want to take the time out to say thank you to all the subscribers that have joined the Chris Glides channel. Today, we've reached a milestone. We have 3,000 subscribers now, and you guys could all be doing something else, tuning into something else, and watching other channels, and all these things. But you decided to rock with me, and I appreciate it. So, man, thank you. All right, so right now we're looking at the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road King Police Edition, and I've been doing a build on this one if you guys are new to the channel. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to turn it into a Cali style vehicular bike, which is also known as a cholo bike. And I've done a few modifications to it, but I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be doing next, as I've been on vacation for about a week, and so I haven't been really showing the bike. But now I'm back on the build, so let's get into it. All right, so today, well, I'll recap later, but so today I went to the dealership, and I have the chrome front end package, which includes the chrome front forks, which is here, and the plastic. I just took that out the box, I put it back in, and it includes the what we have here, the chrome fork sliders, and these are probably the chrome end caps, and some fittings. This is the rest of the box, so that's going to take care of the lower front end parts and making all that chrome instead of just polished now. So still waiting on the exhaust, but from DNA we have the, unbox it for you. Ta-da! All right, so we got the Cali style white walls and the twisted chrome spoke wheels. Excited. Look at that. So I'm still waiting on the rotors, and I'm waiting on the bolts to lock those rotors in, but that's gonna look really nice on this bike. All right, guys, so as Tour Pak would say, picture me rolling. So those are gonna be the 21-inch spoke, twisted spoke wheels. Look at that twisted spoke, man. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna clean that blue off. That's gonna go ahead and let the white wall stand out. I do have some Fender extension pieces, so that's gonna look real good under there. And these front forks will be chrome. See how that's like a dull polish? It's gonna be chrome. And can't wait to do that. And still looking for the right kind of chrome air breather that I'm gonna put in there. This is just something that I had downstairs in the stash, and can't wait to put that on. I need to find the official style louvers on here, these Harley Davidson ones and the other ones. I got that space in there, and can't get it tight enough to close up, so I don't know if I'm either doing it wrong or I just need to get a certain brand from another company that does it better. So I've already changed out the rear tail section of this bike. As you can see, it goes all the way down now with the long bags, and I'm waiting on my full exhaust system by Sampson with the full fishtails. Waiting for that to come in, and yeah, so it's coming along cool. I'm gonna have to get the chrome controls up here, and so I've already priced that out. And as you know, you just keep going and keep going, and that's how it is. So far, I like it. I like the option to where I could pull the Tour Pak off, pull this rear seat off, make it go, make it ride solo, or I can have it so like, I can go two up. Get the sparks out of the way. And so that's where we are with this, and can't wait to dive into it and get things going so you all can finish checking this build out. All right, some other clues. I have the switch here for up and down. I'll be putting that right up here. And what I'll be able to do is, another clue, here's some air line, and here is the connectors. Got it. Air riders going on here. I'll be able to make this thing go up and down in the back, drop it all the way low. So we are gonna be on it. All right, guys, let me know what else I need to get for this build. I know there's thousands of things that people buy and put on these bikes, and I can't wait. I'm originally from California, and I can't wait to bring a little bit of my hometown out here and get this build going. I absolutely can't wait. I'm loving this build so far. I made this bike to sell it. Well, all these bikes are for sale, but I don't want to let them go. So, but anyway, guys, y'all seen all of these bikes and all these different videos. Y'all know what's on them, and most of the stuff is in the description, except for I haven't been putting the different parts built out for the description of this bike yet. But man, these things are hard to not want to keep. Yep, so everything has a number, and sometimes things gotta go in order to get something better. And a lot of you guys keep saying, "Oh, what's gonna be next? The ST?" No, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting the Road Glide ST. Absolutely not. That bike right there is the same bike. It's just got more on it. So anyway, I'm not even gonna get into that, but I am waiting to see what the new, if they have it, the 2024, 2025, or 2024 and a half, whatever you want to call it. I want to know if they're going to come out with a CVO Road Glide Limited. That'd be nice. Or if they're going to come out with a limited edition Road Glide 3 CVO edition, something. But I just want to know what's next. What's going to be in the new mid-year release? You guys let me know in the comments what you think is going to be coming out in the mid-year release around the Harley-Davidson homecoming. What are we going to see next from Harley? I'm wondering, it would be super nice. I'd like to see Harley's version of a Gold Wing, something that is fully automatic. I know a lot of guys are getting up there in age, or just, you know, they might have disabilities where they just don't want to be shifted anymore. They're looking for something that's fully auto with that Harley sound. I believe that would knock the Gold Wing out, that would knock Gold Wing and Honda out of the market if Harley came out with their own. What do you guys think about that? Some guys say, oh, you know, Harleys aren't reliable. It doesn't matter. There's a Harley dealership everywhere, and that's just something that other bike dealerships, bike brands can't compete with, is the amount of Harley-Davidson dealerships, and then also the amount of guys that know how to do work themselves, like myself, and there's thousands and thousands of Harley mechanics, or just guys who've been buying Harleys for years, who know how to do their own work and know how to do their own thing. And they're always at bike rallies and groups whenever you go. So if you ever need something, you got a mechanic steps away. All right, guys, thank you again for subscribing. Thank you again for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. And hey, stay tuned, because who knows where we're gonna go next. All right, guys, later.